Welcome back to our channel. I'm Ash, and today I will be showing you guys how to use Stream Elements and Streamlabs OBS, so you guys can learn how to use the commands and the overlays and everything else like that. I am streaming this on Twitch, so if you do miss this, I will cut this part off because I will be streaming Sims later. So the part with the everything I'm going to show you with OBS, I'm going to cut that off and I'm going to post it on my YouTube channel. So I'm waiting for my friends to come in because they will be asking questions on how to use everything. And I am going to be using strictly Stream Elements. I will be showing you guys where it is in Streamlabs. Same thing, same command. It's just that Streamlabs lagged so much on my game with my stream and my I don't record with Streamlabs. I just stream, but I don't use it anymore. I use Stream Elements. All right, so I am on Streamlabs right now. I mean, not Streamlabs, Stream Elements. And if you have any questions about what to set up and how to set up, you can let me know. First off, I think we should start off with maybe the overlays. I mean, we could go down the list here, as you can see. But if you have Stream Elements, they have a website. And on the website is where you go and find different themes. If you want to use their themes, there's other websites that you can also go to and get the source link and set it up that way. I have my own overlay that I got from them, and it's called Blue Fold Super Theme. And so that's what does the, I'm still trying to learn Twitch, so this could help me. Great. So as you can see at the top of my screen, it says Fitness and Cosplay, and it says all the other stuff, and then the border around my frame. This is where this theme came from, and you have to go to Streamlabs in order to edit anything. So this is the starting soon, be right back, stream ended, and this is the current overlay that is being used right now that you're seeing. So let me make sure. Okay, so this is the overlay that I'm using at the moment. Thank you for the host, Gabby. I really appreciate it. I don't know why I didn't get the notification for that, but this is what I'm currently using. If you want to make any changes to it, you have to basically make the changes from here and then hit save and it refreshes in OBS. Hey Rose, how are you doing today? Now, the main people who I want to see right now in my chat is Yolanda, Josh, Randy, and Noopsy, because they definitely wanted to know how to set up an overlay for their stream. I know Noopsy uses OBS, Streamlabs, so that's kind of easy. But with Stream Elements, you have to basically copy the file, go into OBS, use the browser source window, and then copy it from there. And that's what I want to show you guys. So this is my, like I said, this is my overlay here that I've used. And if you want to make any changes, you have to go to the website. It's not like Streamlabs. Let me see if I can open up Streamlabs right quick, because Streamlabs is different. It's a Streamlabs, I think the reason why it lags on so many people is because everything is in the same software, whereas Stream Elements, all their editing stuff is on the website, and OBS is like the display for everything is totally separate. So I'm waiting for Streamlabs to open up right now. There it is, and it's on my other window. Are you on my other window, or are you just being a butt right now? Yeah, okay, here we are. So this is, see, this is the reason why people don't use you. Can you work? Okay, anyways, because I don't have time for Streamlabs right now. So, like I said, basically this is the overlay on Stream Elements. This is where you get your overlays. If you, let me click out of this. This is my dashboard. And if you go into the Stream Elements gallery theme, there are different themes that you can use and grab. Once you have those, once you choose the ones that you want, it'll go into my overlays. And here is where you will edit your social media, how you want to look, even your, hey Noopsy, finally made it, hey everybody. This is why I don't do exactly, that's why you don't mess with Streamlabs, because it's being an idiot. So once you go to the themes gallery, it goes automatically into your overlay. I only use one, so that's why you see one here. It'll show off your starting soon, be right back, stream ended, and the main one that you will use, which is at the top that you can see, is the Stream Elements. I'm just leaving a lurk. Gotta go adult. That's all right. I'm gonna also be posting this on YouTube for the people who have missed it or if they want to rewatch it. So in order for you to edit your layout, you're going to hit this little pencil here, and it's going to take you to your layout that you currently have. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my camera so you guys can see the entire screen. I'm going to take off Kappa as well. Sorry, Kappa. And then where's the streamer graphics? Okay. So, and I'm going to show you guys an example. So on my screen, you see that my little window here. So if I click this, and let's say I want to hide it because I want to show you guys my entire screen without my window being there. Oh, goodness gracious. Where is this thing? All right, right here, right here. Okay. I'm just going to do this for right now, just so you guys can see my thing. And where is this one? Go that as well. Okay. And if I hit save, it automatically disappears from my screen. Now, how that happens is if you go to your layout in Stream Elements and you do all your edits and you say, I want to launch it, what it'll do is if you hit launch, it'll give you this basically link to your overlay. You copy this, then you go to, I have no choice, guys. Y'all is just gonna have to like look at that. I apologize. Hold on, let me see if it comes back up. Okay. Yeah, it's slow for mobile. Okay. So basically, this is where, just ignore this, I'm sorry. But here's your activity screen, and then here's your chat. This is where you also have your media requests and stuff like that for Stream Elements. It just attaches to your OBS. But if you were to go to your source and click on browser, and you have to rename it. So basically you're gonna name it main live screen or something like that. And this is where it pops up. This is where you put your overlay, the link to your overlay, and you put it at the size and width of your screen, of your computer screen, so it could fit the entire screen of your what you're capturing. If you hit OK, as you can see, I have like a small little box here. It's showing half of the screen right now, but basically that's what this is. And this is how you will attach your overlay. This will attach your overlay to your OBS screen. Well, with the edits you can make, if you choose an overlay, if you choose an overlay like you chose mine, it gives you some stuff that you can put on already. Like here is the recent subscriber, which was Shy Mommy. Thank you, Shy Mommy. Here's your recent follower. These are already here. You just have to change the name. I basically, all of this stuff was already here. The only thing I did was change my name because it has a generic name up here. So I just put fitness to cosplay. But basically everything is already set up for you. And the way that you can put an alert box in Stream Elements, you have to go up here. If you see, yeah, you can see it, to the widget. Now, when you do a theme overlay, it already comes with the alert box, with the with the alert box. It just comes with alert box. But if you go into widgets, here's the other stuff if you want to put into your overlay. So here's the stream chat. You can hit add. And it gives you like a box to use. And I'm going to put this over here to the side. I'm showing you guys how you can make a change to your overlay if you want. And it says show message permanently. This is the dark chat. I guess they give you different types of chat boxes, but I think the dark chat looks good. Messages won't fade because I have the messages showing there permanently. Messages are displayed by 2 seconds. Streamlabs is ignored because you can tell it what to ignore. So you could say I would ignore stream elements, I would ignore Nightbot, and anything else you don't want to show in your chat on screen. And then what will happen is, since you already have your overlay set up in OBS, all you gotta do is just hit save. And as you can see in the corner of the box, it already popped up. So you don't have to keep linking the same website link. As soon as you make a change to it and hit save, it automatically goes to your OBS. I am going to take that off though, so I'm going to delete that, which if I go into my layers, I can just hit the trash button as you can see here, take it off, hit save again, and it's gone. So yeah, if you go up into widgets, here's the Kappa gen. You have the I know Noopsy, she likes her cup. I think that's up here. Yeah, here's the hype cup. Here's the Kappa. But the Kappa, you can also use the browser source as well to go to the Kappa website. They will give you the link to that Kappa, and then you can do the same thing by going to browser, putting the Kappa link into that, and then putting it on your screen. It does the same thing. Let me see if I can go to mine and I can show you what I mean. So this is the Kappamon website. Let me sign in. For those of you that don't know Kappa, there's a little kitty, a little character that you see on a corner. Like, this is my Kappa, my cute little Kappa here. And this is where you would get it from. So if you go into Marketplace, they have like all these little characters, and some of them are free, like the kitties are free. Yeah, they are so adorable. And see, here's a little kitty that everyone has, and there's another one that I use too. But once you choose the one that you want, yeah, Star will probably get the bunny one. But once you choose the one that you want, they will give you the link that's right here. And this is what you will put in the browser source. If you go to +, browser, copy this link, it'll automatically pop up. And they give you the size here of what they want you to make the dimensions. So it's supposed to be 650 by 400. I was just thinking the bunny is super cute. LOL. I also saw the husky pup. I know huskies are my favorite dogs, but they are, you have to pay for them though. As you can see, you have these like these little KP points. So, oh, look at the little reindeer. The reindeer is free.
For Christmas.
Yeah, for Christmas. That'd be perfect for Christmas. Oh, look, a little robot. Okay, so they have more than a cat that's for free. I wonder if there's, you cannot like, you cannot like, filter this so it can only show the free items, free ones. But this, they have like a little shooter, which is cute. And this is the cat that I have. He's cute. I love him. I want the husky pup, but this is broke. I understand. Trust me. I understand entirely. But yeah, so once you get that, you can also go on here on Stream Elements. But since they give me the website anyways, I just go through OBS, use a browser, and just put them in there. So if you, let me put this back over here. Sorry, it looks trippy. But if you go to here, down here, and then choose browser, it'll give you the create select source. Name it whatever you want. Hit OK. And then put the URL link in here. And then put whatever size your screen is in here. So it will be, mine is like 19. I'll show you mine actually. Let me see. This is my live screen. So basically this is what it'll look like once you have the, Josh, really. So this is what it'll look like if you have the screen. It'll be the link here. And then I have my screen width, which is 1920 by 1080. And I have my frames per second to be 30 because I don't trust 60. Just in case something happens. Minimum 30. But if you want to change your message when you go live and it goes on Twitch, you go to your social media. And if you go to your social media, you go to Twitter, this is where you can change your message every time you go live. You know what? I'm going to do this. I am going to put the chat box on the screen because y'all are so funny. Hold on. Let me go to my overlay. I'm putting the chat box back into the on my screen. So if I go to widget, and I go to, where's my chat box? Where is it? Where was it? I know I saw it before. Why am I blind now? Okay, your stream chat. There we go. Add. I'm putting this on the side so I can put y'all on blast. And hit save. There you go. Oh my god. There you go. Now y'all can see yourselves. Actually, that's not a bad position. I might keep it there. Y'all are moving too fast for it. Josh, I swear. Y'all are too much. Alright. And it's out of the way of the screen too, so that's good. One that we want to use. I am going to go to the second one here. That's the main screen. And as you can see at the top, it's already changed because I changed my information before. And you can also move this to make sure that it's all centered and stuff. But if you already have like subscribers, if you already have someone who followed you, it'll automatically change that information for you, so you don't have to do it yourself. You don't have to put it here, and it give you like different window options, as you can see in this corner here. Here's one window option, and then here's another window option. Now it depends on how your window is fitted. Yeah, are y'all paying attention? Yeah, you know what? I know people would like love to ask questions, so can y'all like chill out for 2 seconds?
Oh god.
Oh my god.
How else do people
How else do people earn points? Just in the chat, like for every 10 minutes, you guys earn like 5 points. But yeah, y'all serious? Any questions y'all want to ask instead of spamming emails would be great. Y'all are a mess. But okay, so all right, so going back to what I was saying, y'all are true. So going back to what I was saying, at the bottom bar down here is where you can definitely change your information. Where the chat box is right now, that's where the top donation, that's where that information goes. Recent donation goes down here. And then if you want to show your social media, like for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, all you have to do is just click on one and then put your name of your Facebook page here. So mine is fitness to cosplay, so that can go here, and you can use the up and down arrows to get precisely where you want the text to be. Could have said, really, Josh? I how many times have I told you I need anybody to ask questions instead of spamming? I mean, I don't have any questions. Oops. Oh my god, you guys are a trip. But yeah, so my Twitter is fit to cost. My Instagram is FTC Gaming. And also fitness to cosplay because we have 2. And then YouTube is fitness to cosplay gaming. So that will go there. And if you have a certain font that you guys would like to use, you can also change that font as well. Let me just do this one up here so you can see it. They have like your different editing layers here. You go to text settings. And if you have a custom font, you can hit enable custom font here. And this font is called Righteous, but if you type in a font that you like to use, like mine is Strenuous Black. As you can see at the top, it automatically changed to the font that I like to use. If you type in Arial, if you type it in correctly, no, that's right, Arial Black. Arial Black. Oh, that didn't work. No, it was there. Yeah, Arial Black, or if you type in Comic Sans. Did I write that right? No. What happened? I need to learn HTML and styles so I can make my own overlay. Shake my head. Ash about to ban her mom. Oh my god, y'all are a trip. But yeah, if you type any font name in this section for custom font, it'll automatically change it to what you have on your computer. It has to be installed on your computer. If not, it won't show up. And we are going to go down to what everybody should know how to do, and that is commands. Yeah, well, let's go to modules first, actually. Okay, so we're going to modules right now, and anything I'm showing you in Stream Elements is the same spot in Streamlabs. It's just in a different location, and Streamlabs did open up for me, But I don't want to mess with it because, you know, it has its own issues. So let's go into chat alerts first. And this is basically where you guys will see if you do any commands. If someone follows you, tips you, hosts you, subscribe to your channel, cheers, raids, and redemptions, the commands for that will show up in your chat. So this is the way that if a notification, like if your alert box does not work for whatever reason, because like, so Gabby hosted me earlier and it did not show up in my alerts for some reason. So it did show up in chat to let me know. Let's try this again, Streamlabs. Don't mess with me. All right, so I have Streamlabs open actually. And if you go to CloudBot, for those of you that use Streamlabs, if you go to CloudBot, this is where your modules, chat commands, timers, everything, this is where it is for you guys. You use Streamlabs? Okay. So in Streamlabs, you can do a lot. Let me see. Where's modules? Modules, what I said about chat alerts is here for you. So if you go into, if this is your dashboard in Streamlabs, if it could pop up, thank you. And if you go here to CloudBot, and if you go to modules, your chat alerts will be here. And if you go into preferences, it'll show you exactly where everything is for donation, follow, bits, host. If you want to make a change to it, you go down here and you basically make a change to what this is. Like, let's just say for mine, I have where for, what is it? Like cheers, instead of saying tips, I said, user just added currency amount. I don't change what's in the brackets because that's basically the coding. If you like delete this or change this, it's not going to work. It won't show up correctly. So I just said, I just added amount of Neko treats to the treat drawer or something like that. So instead of saying tips, you can name it whatever you want. I don't use CloudBot. I use Stream Elements and Nightbot. Oops. Well, Nightbot is the same thing. If we go to Nightbot, because I used to use Nightbot, but Nightbot is a butt. So I don't use it anymore. Wait. Let me just type in Nightbot. But for those of you that want to tame Nightbot, you could do the same thing for here. Log in through Twitch. Authorize, sure. And if you go to Nightbot, your commands are here. Those are your commands. Let me see. Song requests, regulars, timers, integrations. Like for the modules, you'll do it through Stream Elements. But for the commands and stuff, you can still do it through Nightbot. All right, so these are the different things that people can do for points or to have fun in their chat. I have the emote combo, and this is the reason why you guys are earning points if y'all spam emotes. And Josh, do not spam no emotes again, sir, because people are trying to learn. I would love to see their questions. But this is basically what it is. So if you spam up to 5 emotes, you get like points for my chat, and those points can be used for different things. Now the points loyalty system is gonna have to be a whole nother stream because I'm trying to learn that myself, and trying to explain what I know so far is gonna take a long time. This is what Noopsy does. She does the raffle. So anytime you see that exclamation mark raffle, she does that to earn points in her store, so you can get different items as well. I need to check hers out. You could do the roulette. This is the bingo, the emote pyramids, dual 8-ball, the slot machine, and then live announcements. Live announcements is where stream elements come into play with their own little whatever they want to announce in your stream. Next, and it would be this is the one that's very important, is commands. For those of you that don't know how to set up commands, please pay attention. Okay, so I am going to, I don't really want to delete my alert. I don't really want to delete these because these are hard. But basically, if you want to set up a new command, you hit new command, and then let me see. Let's just say my command would be The Sims, right? I'm just making one up. The Sims 4. That's in defaults already, so you don't have to. Song request is automatically created for whoever uses anything to stream, and you just have to enable it or disable it if you do want to, and just say I love The Sims 4, and then just hit submit. You could put anything in here. You could put a website. You could put anything in here, right? So you hit submit. And the command is now here. Exclamation mark, The Sims 4. And if I put this into chat right now, it's already activated. So exclamation mark, The Sims 4. And then boom. I love The Sims. So if you automatically make a command here, it'll automatically show up. So if you guys use that command, it'll show up. So here's the one for the lurk. If you put the command as lurk, you can say everyone can use it. And then username has decided to lurk in the shadows, we still see you. So this is how you will make the lurk command. You also have advances. I don't use the advanced setting because there's no reason to. So anybody who does not have the alert, basically this is how to set it up. And I will show you where to get the username code here. They have like a list of different variables that I will show you where that is. This here says uptime. How long have we been live? And I think this is also already like set as well to show how long you guys been live. And this is custom. This is what you create for yourself. Let me see. Yeah, finally I can put the alert command. Yeah. Let me just show you where to get that. How do you give people coins for things like the slot machine for watching the stream? You have that set up. Okay, I'm going to show you guys just really quickly about the loyalty settings, because this is basically where you will set up the points for your viewers in chat. So you have to enable it first. Then you said for every 10 minutes, people would get 5 points, whatever you want to call it. I call it cat treats, but whatever theme your stream is, whether it's tea, food, animals, candy, whatever, you can name it here. And you can name it here, and you can tell like the system how many for every 10 minutes. How many, how much to give people. Mine are Yobucks. I love that. That's funny. I love that. I think Stream Elements does points. Stream also does. Yeah. Streamlabs and Stream Elements does. When you go into Streamlabs, it is right here. This is where you set up your loyalty points here. I don't have Streamlabs, I don't use it, so that's why it's not enabled. But if you go into Cloudbot and if you go into loyalty, this is where you set up your loyalty system. Thank you for the host, Alex. I really appreciate it. I did not mean to close that. God dang it. And if somebody does something in your stream, they get additional points. So if someone tips, they get additional 50 points I have set. If they cheer, they get additional 50 points. If they subscribe, they get additional 50 points, which subscribers, I'm going to bump that up. If they follow the stream, they automatically get 10. And if they host the stream, they automatically get 10 more, which I'm going to bump all these up. I just did this just to test it out. But for those of you that are hosting me, you just automatically got 10 extra points. The way that you put it up is if you use exclamation mark and whatever you call your points. So if you call them points, that's you put exclamation mark points. But I call mine cat trees, so exclamation mark cat trees, and it'll automatically come up how many you have already have. Josh, I think you put 3 T's. Oh my gosh, but yeah. See, like Alice already had 20. But like I said, to explain the loyalty system, I had to set that up with the stream store and contests and stuff like that. I have to do that in a whole nother stream because that would take me a long time to explain. So if you guys want me to do that, just let me know. But for right now, we're going back to chat commands. And like I said, if you do your alert command, it has this little bracket here that says money sign bracket user.name bracket. You get that from going to the variables section, and this is basically where it shows you what to put and where, so you can find out where that is. So like here is the money sign username that was in my alert command. You could use user, and yeah, just go through all of these when you want to do your own custom commands, and it'll basically tell you who to like what it does basically. Now they already have default commands already made. So some of these commands you don't need to do anymore. Like, let me see, which one is a popular one that's already done? Like, oh, when we all join for a raffle or join the game of marbles, what Randy used to play, and we always hit exclamation mark join, that's a command that's already set up for whatever you have. You could do exclamation mark leaderboard just so you can know who's in the lead. So I'm going to put exclamation mark leaderboard. And then it'll show you the link to where the leaderboard is. So you can click that and you will be able to see who is in the lead and where you guys are. And then if you do have a Steam store, you can redeem by exclamation mark redeem. This is where the song request is automatically set up, so you don't have to do that yourself. Uptime is automatically like set up. So that's why anybody who does uptime in your stream could automatically do it because already there. You could do bingo and stuff like that. So all of these commands are already pre-set up for you.
Note that the editor has, so this is like an alternative to Streamlabs, correct?
Yeah, it's an alternative to Streamlabs. Yeah, in Streamlabs, let me see if I can pull this up again. It's having its little fit right now. It's loading up right now. But I will show you in Streamlabs where it is exactly in Streamlabs. But yeah, it is the same as Stream Elements. It's the same as Streamlabs. It's just that Streamlabs lags for a lot of people. So they would rather use Stream Elements than using Streamlabs. So like here is the money sign username that was in my alert command. You could use user, and yeah, just go through all of these when you want to do your own custom commands, and it'll basically tell you who to like, what it does basically. Now they already have default commands already made, so some of these commands you don't need to do anymore. Like let me see which one is a popular one that's already done. Like, oh, when we all join for a raffle or join the game of marbles, what Randy used to play, and we always hit exclamation mark join, that's command that's already set up for whatever you have. You could do exclamation mark leaderboard just so you can know who's in the lead. So I'm going to put exclamation mark leaderboard, and then it'll show you the link to where the leaderboard is. So you can click that and you will be able to see who is in the lead and where you guys are. And then if you do have a Steam store, you can redeem by exclamation mark redeem. This is where the song request is automatically set up, so you don't have to do that yourself. Uptime is automatically like set up. So that's why anybody who does uptime in your stream could automatically do it, because already there. You could do bingo and stuff like that. So all of these commands are already pre-set up for you.
It knows like the editor hack, so this is like an alternative to Streamlabs, correct?
Yeah, it's an alternative to Streamlabs. Yeah. In Streamlabs, let me see if I can pull this up again. It's having its little fit right now. It's loading up right now. But I will show you in Streamlabs where it is exactly in Streamlabs. But yeah, it is the same as Stream Elements. It's the same as Streamlabs. It's just that Streamlabs lags for a lot of people, so they would rather use Stream Elements than using Streamlabs. So that is the chat command, Stream Elements. I haven't explored everything with Stream. I haven't either. I'm showing the basics of what Stream Elements right now. I have not seen all of this yet. I've only seen what I've already set up in mine. So this is where the spam filters are in Stream Elements. So Josh, I think Alex, and anyone else. So you would recommend Stream Elements over Streamlabs? Yes, I would, because I have me and everybody else in chat, which is, I think is also Randy and Josh, would say that Streamlabs take up most of your CPU, and that's why you will suffer through lag when you are streaming. Oh, and also K-Stray on Twitch. She streamed for her birthday with Streamlabs, and she had to switch over to the regular OBS because Streamlabs was like lagging her stream so bad. I need to try Stream Elements. I lag a lot. You do lag a lot. I do see that. And it would be like stream, especially if you don't have a good PC with a good graphics card where it can render your graphics really good, because your Streamlabs fight with your computer. And that's what I found out, and that's why I had to stop using it. So that's why I use Stream Elements over Streamlabs. Okay, here we are. All right. So for those of you that still use it, it's on the CloudBot. And if you go to, click off this, if you go to your commands, this is where you put your custom commands. This is your default, like I already said, that it's already pre-made if you're using it. And then here are your variables. If you use these, and if a custom command, it'll work for you. I use regular OBS to stream and Stream Elements with alerts, chat, tips, music, and etc. Yeah. If I can show you guys again, I'm sorry if it's gonna look trippy, But this is basically what OBS looked like with Stream Elements. Stream Elements is just an attachment here, and it integrates the activity, the different things for your chat. So it's the activity feed, which is, oh God, let me put that back. Sorry. It's the activity feed, which is here. And then over here, you see the chat. So it helps put it into OBS so you can see it. So you don't have to use your phone or anything to look at what's going on. And I'm very picky about how my stream looks aesthetically. Stream Elements give you a lot of control too. I just hate the overlay options. I think there's other websites that can that you can find overlays on. Like I said, just find a link to it, go to the browser source, and put it into your OBS. I want to do a revamp of my stream and YouTube. Well, if you need some help, let me know, because I and anyone else in chat too, because I think everybody else created their own graphics for their Twitch and YouTube. So if you need any help, you can ask any of us. I appreciate that you're doing this, haha. Just randomly found you and I'm redoing my whole stream thing. Lucky! Well, welcome to the stream. I'm happy to do this because I know, like, I go into a lot of my friends' streams and they don't know how to... Thank you for the follow! See, that is where the alert box come in, and then as you can see in streams are Stream Elements. Welcome to the Kira Neko squad. Nova the editor. So when you have chat alerts up, it comes into your chat just in case your chat alert on your screen on your what you're streaming does not come up. But thank you for the follow. I really appreciate it. So yeah, let's go into this spam filters because Josh, I know you have a problem with it. It's also in Nightbot too. They have the spam filters. So you have the spam filters in Nightbot, Stream Elements, and Streamlabs. So you guys can like fix it where if you guys want people to post links, if you want them to use caps, if you want them to spam emotes, if you want them to use not so nice words, you guys can tell whatever you're streaming, whoever is monitoring your chat, that is allowed. So people are not like, their comments are not deleted. I can do be right back screens and stuff, but the game overlay itself is hard to make. I have disabled for my stream. I gotta keep my caps disabled because of... Oh my god, that is too funny. Oh my god, that's hilarious. What's the point of Nightbot when I can't let mods spam peeps? Oh my goodness, y'all are a troll. But yeah, if you're using Stream Elements, if you go down to spam filters, this is where these filters are. If you go into Nightbot, spam protection is here. So this is where you will see this. And if you go into Streamlabs, it is right... Is it module tips? Yeah. Mod tools. Mod tools is where you have all of this, the same thing. They all have the same thing. It's just in different locations. You just have to find it and you have to disable it because they automatically come enabled once you download whatever you're using or whoever you're making a mod, whether it's Nightbot, Streamlabs, or Stream Elements, they automatically have that enabled. So now for what I just learned for myself, it's called timers. This is basically what you're seeing in chat right now. Josh, you do not have a command. Hey, but this is what I thought I'd try. But this is where you basically seeing anybody who you go into their chat. If you see and messages automatically pop up where somebody is not typing anything, you don't have to type in exclamation mark whatever to make this pop up. this is where you go. You go down here to timers in Stream Elements. I think Nightbot have timers as well, which is right here. And Streamlabs have timers here. So you go here, and let's just say I want to set up a new command. New command name would be, let's just say, oh yeah, I'm a sponsor for Stream Graphics. Yeah, Stream Graphics. So I basically would name it Stream Graphics. And then message. I'm just going to put test here right now because I am going to like put that there. And then this online interval is basically how long you want how many times you want the message to pop up in your stream. So let's just say I want it to pop up every 25 minutes. That's what I do. Chat lines fine. And then you hit submit. So now with that there, every 25 minutes, that message will pop up in your stream. And if you see like Stream Elements pop up, that's basically what it is. This is how you set up timers. You can tell it. Now I have different chat timers. Like I have one, you can make one for your YouTube channel to show up, Twitter. I have subscribe to Twitch. I have shout outs to Yolanda, Josh, Alex. I need to do other people as well. I have my merch store that pops up. Donating for like, if you do, that's another thing too that I'm gonna have to show you guys about, you know, the tips thing. Luma Plays, who did my emotes, and she did a beautiful job. And then you could save your game. Josh has one timer that reminds him to drink water and to save his game. So the tip settings is here for Stream Elements and Streamlabs. It is right any moment now. It is right, it should be over here. Enable tip page. Let me just move this over here and go down. Where is it now? Where did you go? Well, if you go into the dashboard, it'll be there. It just wouldn't show up when I shrunk the page. But yeah, through Streamlabs OBS and through Stream Elements, you can set up to where somebody can donate you dollars. So that's why in which one is it? Modules, and it says donation in the chat, or I think it's tips. They call it tips. Somebody tip you money. That means they went through either Streamlabs or Stream Elements, went through that link, tipped you money, and then that's when it comes up in the chat alerts. Okay. But yeah, if any one of you guys, any viewers that are not following me or if not seen me before, if you find me on Twitter and if you have a question about streaming, just message me and I will answer any questions you may have. And Twitter just popped up. So yeah, if you have any questions for me or for anything, just hit me up on Twitter, send me a DM, and I will help you as best as I can with the knowledge that I have.